I'm John Camburn. I'm head of engineering for DataMax at Axtria. We're not trying to solve every business rule problem that's out there. We're focused initially on the kinds of business rules that are regularly applied centrally to data. Data scientists and analysts aren't the final business users, right? They're providing a service to the business just like the IT people are, right? They're doing analysis to give to a business person who's going to make a decision on it. And what we would want to do is we want to push it all the way out directly to the consumer. So what kinds of things would a business user want to do? They want to be able to, first of all, see what is the process. They want to know when we're applying alignment rules to our sales data, where in the process does that occur? Because that could have an impact on what the output is, right? So that having them be able to trace lineage is a good basic capability so that they can understand what that process looks like. Being able to modify the business rules and put that through an approval workflow so that as the data moves through the system and the business rules get applied to it, if those business rules change from one week to the next, they can actually make that change themselves. They can go into the UI, they can make changes to the business rules, and if those changes get approved by whatever that approval process is, they'll automatically be applied the next time that end-to-end data pipeline runs. Defining subsets, managing hierarchies, applying ranking rules. Those kind of really broad business rules that make sense to apply centrally, makes sense in a data warehouse. So another big one of those modules is data quality. And historically, the way this has worked is people that don't really know much about the data are building a system, and they're hopefully implementing business or data quality rules that check the quality of that data, but they're not the experts in the data, right? They're experts in technology. But most of the patterns that you do for data quality checks are very similar. And if you can get those patterns, those abstractions to be able to be configured very easily through a UI, then you can expose directly to the people, the business users who know that data the best, exactly what rules that they want to apply. And then you can get into more and more advanced rules where they can actually set quality thresholds. Only they're going to know that, right? Only people who are familiar with the underlying data can know those kind of data quality checks. So that's another big one that we want to expose directly to business users so that they can become the agents that govern that data and make that data asset as reliable as possible to be shared throughout their organization.